Hello everyone, with Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing April 2025 Part 4 for Patreon for your STO printing needs. Be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get started. As well, also all the links that we'll be looking at will be down in the bottom as well. We already done that for Part 3. So Dungeon Classic, they're doing a big 24-hour sale right now for triple. So if you need a whole bunch of miniatures, go check them out. It's like $150. I think it's just a little bit too much for it, in my opinion. For April, we'll be getting, looks like, let's see, welcome pack. Got the Berserker female, Berserker male, Direwolf, Drench's Swarm, Drenches, Night Hags, Nightmare, Shambling Mound. That actually looks like a lot better Shambling Mound than the one in the book. Shield Guardian. That'll be your April for your D&D stuff. For Officer Rue, this is a figure. They're doing a lot of stuff. So this is the one that's coming out, and they do big boobs. I mean, big old bitties, like Punk Princess Luna. We got like Emma Frost render because I think she just came out to what Marvel Rival, and everyone's like, look at them thighs and stuff. You got a Centaur, a Lit Girl. You also got Fern, the succubus version of that. Okay, Magpie 3D, another figure one as well. We got the Bolo twins from Overlord. We got the Hensko. Looks like we're gonna be getting that as well. But for April, we'll be getting these two. Shion and Maiko from School Prison, I believe is what that anime was called. Next is Anyone, another figure one as well. They do a lot of animal stuff. Big boobs. We got War Greymon. Big old biddies. This is the April poll, so yeah, War Greymon's gonna be for April. For it, that's coming up. Lost Heresy miniatures. They do a lot of those pop culture and make them into a mini. The old Fritz. That's from March 18th. I don't know if they have anything for April yet. But anyhow, go check them out. They might have shown some stuff probably past the 15th. This is new. B figures. So this month it'll be Optimus Prime, Master Boy, Naruto, Mega Man, and Igris. And your bonus, and this will be your next month coming up as well. Oops, you got Mega Man, got Igris. This one's cool too. This was like an old cartoon, if I remember correctly. Optimus Prime. So yeah, got Naruto and Igris. I'm not gonna paint him red. I'm gonna paint that black. I'm gonna print it in clear blue resin. Then I'm gonna meticulously, dry brush black on it. So it's like black with blue outline that's kind of glowing. And I might put a light underneath the stand by the feet so it actually can glow actual blue. That's what I'm thinking about for this one. But that's one of those projects that I'm gonna have to look up and figure out what to do. Highland miniatures. I think we're getting more elves for like Age of like not Age of Old World. Probably able to use some of these for Age of Sigmar as well. I don't really know, but we got more elves, wood elves. I believe that's what they're called. For it. I know they already got a box set for them already for Warhammer, but I don't know, Warhammer's just goddamn too expensive. Artists Guild. Looks like we're getting looks like dwarves and fire giants. I'm guessing. I don't know. Magma doors of the death. So only flame dwarves I know is Azar, and they're not really dwarves. They're actually elemental for it, but we can actually. look at what they have for us. I'm gonna skim through a lot. So yeah, Azworth. They're most gonna be Azworth then, I guess. Azworth dwarves, but Azworths are, like I said, elementals. They're created by fire, fire flame, and copper, I believe, in the old D&D books. Might not know that much, but you can paint them however you really want to. I thought these were gonna be fire giants for a sec, but these looks really good if you're going into fire elemental and go against these guys. They are really nasty, and they don't really reproduce because they got to craft themselves and put their essence in it. Um, but basically, they make a lot of stuff. Like they just craft non-stop. If they have no will to craft or not able to craft, they just disappear for a big ass salamander riders. This will be kind of cool to paint. I don't know. I'm afraid the resin's gonna get a lot more expensive. We got the king. Kind of cool looking. Looks like a berserker right there. I would probably print this all in like red resin, clear resin. So you get the glowing effect of the hair. Just try to brush a little bit of red and orange on it. And I'm not going to go look through this one. That's your exotic post for it. Another one. This looks bigger than the rest of that. I think these are supposed to be a fire giant. The Devastator, Fire Drone Prince. Yeah, fire giant then. You get that big thing. I do like how they paint this sucker. This is, I could paint like that. I know for a fact because I've done styles like this before. But it's all of it. Looks really good. And your bust. We don't need to worry about the bust. Last Sword Miniatures. This is going to be like your Age of Sigmar and your Old World stuff for it that's coming in. So we got some elves, some Bertolis, and some undead. Looks like it. Yeah, and check them out. Asgard Rising. I think they finally are doing stuff, I believe. Probably not. No, they're not doing anything, so we just removed them. Dragon Tarper's Lodge, one of my favorites. Uh, we'll be getting. They're getting all these mega pack and the cast promotions. Its problem is it's the cost. Kingdom of the Sun. Looks like we're getting some African style, I believe. Um, Miniatures. Kekulo Buko. Got the Rhino folk. Sovereign Demons. Yeah, be the African style miniatures. That's actually pretty cool. The Great Weaver. I do like the details of it. I do not like going to like painting all those little lines with it, especially with shaky hands. We got Anis the Trickster, Sukanas, Soothsayer, speaker of the Earth Song, Wild Out of Water Buffaloes, Outcast. That's supposed to be a panther. A lot of cool stuff. I don't mind printing some of this if you're going to like a safari area. Baboons, Bififoji, Gooseland, Giant Hyena, Bushfire Boar, No Pack Lords, No Demonic, No Fang, No Warriors, and Sup Wing Horncrest. And we got Baboon Devils. We got the Heralds of the Apocalypse. So we got more angels coming in. Angel Death, variants. Hooded, not hooded. Angel of Fire. Angel of Sword variant. Dark Herald. Fallen Angel commands. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of angels and everything. Problem with angels is they're too damn freaking powerful. You know, you gotta have them later in the game, or you bring them to like one of those other things for Celestia. But yeah, Harbinger, actually pretty cool. So face in his chest. But yeah, Witness. Uh, that's cool. Anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.